Hello everyone, welcome to my channel God's Own Vlogger. Please support my channel by subscribing and liking the video. Day after day the price hikes just keep rolling in. Yesterday it was Yamaha increasing the prices of nearly all its small displacement models, and today it's Bajaj. Everything from the little CT and Platina commuter bikes all the way up to the flagship Dominar 400 have received a rather substantial price hike. So if you were on the lookout for a new Bajaj cruiser, be it a traditional cruiser like the Avenger Cruise 220 or a power cruiser like the Dominar 400, be prepared to shell out that little bit extra. Before going forward, it would really be helpful if you could subscribe my channel. The Avenger's price has gone up by 2,502 rupees and will now cost you 1.19 lakh rupees, while the Dominar's 3,000 rupees price hike means that it'll set you back by 1.94 lakh rupees. It seems almost unthinkable now that the bike was once launched at 1.36 lakh rupees. In fact, this 3,000 rupees price hike is nearly twice as big as the increment that the bike received at the time of its BS6 update. With all the small but frequent price hikes that we've been seeing recently, it's quite obvious that manufacturers chose to soften the blow of the BS6 increment by spreading it out over a bunch of smaller hikes rather than one big one. We just hope all of this ends soon. Please support my channel by subscribing and liking the video. For more information, check the description box.